Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You signed in and verified the right subscription. Now act. Open the virtual machine's blade and pick the VM you want removed. Once selected, stop the VM and wait until it shows deallocated. This prevents I/O issues and ensures disks are consistent. Make sure you note the resource group and attached resources like NICs and public IPs so you can clean them up later. Starting here accelerates safe deletion and avoids accidental data loss. Next, focus on dependencies. In the VM blade, inspect networking and disks tabs to list NICs, public IPs, and managed disks. Extensions may retain state. If you prefer automation, run as VM delete resource group rgname VM and add yes to skip prompts. Note this removes the VM object but not all attached resources unless you delete them explicitly. Decide which disks to keep for recovery once removed. Retain disks. Finish by confirming the VM is gone from the virtual machines list and validate billing metrics if needed. Then delete any leftover NICs, public IPs, and unattached managed disks to prevent ongoing charges. Use the resource group view to speed cleanup. If you encounter a deletion error, check for resource locks or role-based access restrictions, remove locks, or get the required permissions and retry. If dependencies block deletion, identify the blocking resource, remove it, and then proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.